Hi guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine, doing a bit of a walk around Phuket Boat Lagoon. As you can see, some of the yachts here are getting their yearly refurbishing, and I would say some of the yachts are just parked here. This is what happens sometimes in Phuket. Someone buys a yacht, thinks they're going to use it every other week, and it ends up on a hard stand, just like on a boat like this. Beautiful boat, but not going out to sea. But that's an aside, because today I want to talk to you a little bit about the 4-island tour. Now, I get messages on a daily basis from guests asking to book the 4-island tour. Now, what I want to say to you is the 4-island tour is actually just a marketing term. In our area, we have over 200 islands. Like, for example, in the PP area, we have 6 islands. We have Bida Nai, Bida Nok, we have PP Lay, PP Dom, Mosquito Island, and Bamboo. In Krabi, we have at least 16 islands, including islands like Hong Island, Hong Lagoon, Pak Bia, Konok, Low Lading, Red Rock, Chicken Island, Rayleigh Beach, Boda Island. So, as you can see, nearly every location that we visit here in Thailand, there's more than 4 islands available. So anyone that goes and puts on their website a 4-island tour, essentially you could end up going anywhere that there are 4 islands. For example, if I wanted to, save some fuel, I could take you to Kai Nai, Kai Nok, Kai Nui, and Rang. Now, that's 4 islands. Those islands are all within 30 minutes of Phuket, and that would meet the promise of your 4-island tour. But what I really wanted to explain to you is that while it is possible that you can go on a 4-island tour, what you really want to work out is, don't talk about destinations, don't talk about number of islands that you're going to go to. What I suggest you do is that you talk about experience. So this is the number one question I ask my guests. I say, don't tell me where you want to go. Tell me what you want to experience. Because some guests will say to me, they want to go to PP. And then when I ask them, what are you hoping to do at PP? They'll say, I want to canoe through the caves, I want to see the lagoons, I want to go see the mangroves. And immediately I know PP is not the right place for you. A 4-island tour to PP ain't going to work. What you really need to do is head on over into the Phang Nga Bay area, which is well known for its canoeing through the caves, its mangroves, its hidden caves. It's a beautiful area. It's 41 plus islands. So what I would suggest to you when thinking about booking a tour and talking to a tour company like us, and we are a direct tour company, we're not an agent. So when you book with us, you go on our boats. You go with our crew, you go with our guides. We're not an agent that you find on the street that is calling his friend to book a boat, or calling his friend to book you onto a group tour. We're a direct to consumer booking agency, meaning you book with us, you turn up, you're on a 5-Star Marine boat, on the 5-Star Marine PR, with 5-Star Marine crew, who have been working with 5-Star Marine for years. So when looking to book for a tour, I think don't go and ask, I want to book a 4-island tour, or I want to book a 5-island tour, or I want to book a 7-island tour. Come to me and say, this is what I want. I want to do a little bit of snorkeling. I'd love to see a cave or two. I want to see some amazing stalactites. I'd like to go and see some beautiful island formations, and I want to end up on a nice beach with a bar and have a beer or two. That's perfect. You tell me that, immediately I know where I'm going to send you. So instead of considering, am I going to go on a 4-island tour? Am I going to go on a 5-island tour? Am I going to PP? Am I going to James Bond? Am I going to Similan? Am I going to Hong Krabi? Instead of thinking about any of this, come to an agent like us here at 5-Star Marine, and I answer all WhatsApp messages that come into our company. Come and talk to us and say, look, this is what we want, this is the experience we're looking for, and if you can give us that experience, then we would be one happy customer. And if you go look at our TripAdvisor reviews, you'll see that one of the number one thing that people write on their reviews when talking about our company is how flexible we are, how we design the program to suit the guests on board. So I know I did a little bit of debunking here, or mythical unshowing, and I do apologize, but I really want you to have the right information when it comes to making a decision about making your holiday in Phuket a magical one. And I want to explain to you a little bit why. Now, when I was a kid, my family, we would go on 2 holidays a year. We're a middle-class family. By no means were we wealthy. And holiday number 1, we'd go camping. And holiday number 2, we would go to the Gold Coast, generally to Maroochydore, where they have a beautiful beach, and it's a great place to go to relax on the beach, and maybe go to a theme park and go out in the water and go fishing. And I know that in my experience with my family, that these holidays that my mum and dad took me on, they worked extra hours, extra jobs, they saved for months, they racked up credit card debt to go on their holiday. And so what I'm really looking to do as a company is not to create a tour. I want to create an experience, something that you're going to go home at night and talk to your family about this incredible experience you had in Thailand, about this incredible company that took you out island hopping, not about this 4-island tour that you went on, but this customized, personalized, private tour that delivered exactly what you were looking for.